Hi, let's learn how to give bidirectional tolerance in note and in table. Take an attached note, give any number. Let's assign upper limit and lower limit tolerance to this note. Edit the note, type @ upper limit 0.2 @ for the closing, and for lower limit again type @ lower limit 0.1 I am defining, and for closing type @#. For the positive and negative symbol, you can define extra symbols before the dimension. I will mention extra positive symbol here and extra negative symbol here. That's it. Let's try with the table. So I'll just take the table. I'll mention the number here 10. Now again select that table, go to edit and repeat same code @ tolerance closing @ again @ lower limit, that is 0.2 closing @#. So this is how you can define the upper limit and lower limit tolerance in the note and in table. Hi, let's learn how to add box to the node. Take a node, define the node, click outside. I want to add box to this node. Select the node, edit. In the start, type @ rectangular bracket. Click OK. This is how you can add rectangular box to the node in Creo drawing. Thank you for watching.